Namaste.
Namaste to all the Pakistan, Sri Lanka,
And Nepal.
Nepal, Bangladesh. It's
Bangladesh.
gonna be our first time to react to all those countries. At least we know little about India, Pakistan,
And
but
sometimes Nepal.
what do you know? Okay, like we have four countries here:
Yeah.
Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Nepal. What? Just tell me something from any country that you know. Then we'll go for the reaction.
Okay, Pakistan.
Pakistan, okay.
Pakistan is famous country. They have a lot of Muslim, like 90%
90%
of Muslim population of Muslim.
Okay.
And it's that strong that we have a lot of weapon and you know
Great.
and
In
great
military.
in military. They are great
Okay.
in military, but
Mm.
Nepal, I don't know that much.
Okay, I know little about Nepal. What I can say, Nepal is a neighboring country to India, and Nepal is among the only, I don't know how many countries didn't get colonized in the world, but Nepal is among the
Nepal is
countries that
among.
never got colonized.
Really?
In the world, never got
I
colonized.
don't know that before.
Yeah, and Nepal, the most of among the population, like majority of the population, Hindu people. But because though they are Hindu, they also do their Hindu festival and traditional. The same, no, not the same.
Okay,
Like
same.
a little different, but
yeah.
the same festival. Same festival, like here here with India celebrate Diwali.
Yeah.
They have Diwali, but the way they celebrate is different.
Different. Okay, but what do you know about Sri Lanka and Bangladesh?
Sri Lanka, I only know one famous musician, which became my favorite. She's called Yohani.
Yohani.
That girl, she went viral for singing one song called Manike Magahite.
They are Hindi,
No, it's not Hindi. That is
but it's close to Hindi.
okay, Nepal, Sri Lanka, they speak what? Sinhali, I think.
Sinhali.
Something like that. I don't know, but they like that they speak. And what they are famous again, like
I guess there's
they are so talented. Those people,
they're so talented.
very talented, and they have beautiful places, just looking like a wow. But Bangladesh, I still remember. I have one of my friend. I don't know much about Bangladesh, but in Bangladesh, he told me about what they eat in the breakfast. Not like Indian breakfast. They don't take
They're
this.
different.
They don't have puri, idli, those kind of breakfast.
Okay. I know only name, just Bangladesh by name. I don't know.
Okay,
more
so
than
now
that.
we will check. This is the country comparison.
Yeah, and with our reaction.
Yeah, we are reacting from data around the world. Okay.
Yeah.
In case you want to watch our vlogs, check Gabs Gabi TV. Without wasting time, let's go.
Hello and welcome to Date
The
Around the
video is
World.
in English,
Today,
guys. So
we're going to be
we are
comparing
hoping to tell
India's
you
neighboring
more.
countries.
They
Pakistan
are all
versus
Indian
Sri
neighboring
Lanka
countries.
versus Bangladesh
they
versus
never
Nepal.
knows India.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Date Around the World. Let's get started. Location: Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh,
They are close each
and
other.
Nepal are all located in South
Pakistan
Asia and share a border
Bangladesh,
with
they are
India.
so close.
Area:
So close to India.
Pakistan
And
is the
Nepal also.
largest of these countries, with an area of approximately 882,000 square
Pakistan is
kilometers.
the largest among all.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka is small.
Capital city:
Islamabad.
Yeah. Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Yeah.
Colombo,
Colombo, yes, I remember
Dhaka.
Sri Lanka. Dhaka, Nepal,
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu.
We have Pakora also, yes.
population. Pakistan is the most populous of these countries,
Pakistan.
with about 236 million people.
6 million.
Wow.
Population density: Bangladesh is the most densely populated country, with approximately 1,106 people per square kilometer.
The Bangladesh.
Yeah, it's
Life
Bangladesh.
expectancy: Sri Lanka has the highest average life expectancy, with a life expectancy of 77.39 years. GDP, Bangladesh has the
Pakistan.
largest economy,
Bangladesh.
with a GDP of
Bangladesh.
approximately 484 billion 800 million US
It's
dollars.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes. Has more than
GDP per
Pakistan.
capita. Sri Lanka has the highest GDP per capita,
Per capita.
with a GDP per capita of 3,290 US dollars.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka has Colombo is so good.
Colombo, yeah.
Debt to
Colombo.
GDP
So
ratio.
Colombo.
Sri Lanka has the highest
Sri
debt to
Lanka.
GDP ratio, with approximately 130.5% of GDP.
Sri Lanka is, most attractive and most visited.
Export,
Country among all
Bangladesh had the
these.
highest
Yeah,
export
Sri
value,
Lanka.
with a
Then
total
Bangladesh.
export value of approximately 44 billion US dollars in
Bangladesh.
2021. Import,
Import,
Bangladesh had the highest import value, with a total import value of approximately 80 billion US dollars in
That's why the economic
2021.
of Bangladesh is
Yeah,
good.
it's going
Because export is more.
Tourists, Sri
import
Lanka is the most
Yeah.
visited country among these
I
four,
told you, Sri
with a
Lanka.
total of
How much
1,900,000 tourists per
More
year.
visited. Bangladesh is less.
Richest
Sri Lanka,
person,
then
Vinod
Nepal.
Chaudhary, from Nepal, is the richest person among these countries with a net worth of
Nepal.
approximately 1,500 million US dollars.
Richest.
Most
Nepal.
subscribed YouTube channels, Airy Digital
Richest.
HD,
Nepal.
a YouTube
Most
channel
subscribed
from
YouTube channel.
Pakistan, is the most subscribed among these
Pakistan.
countries, with over 38.3 million subscribers.
Ah,
Olympic medals, Pakistan has won the most Olympic medals among these countries, with over 10 medals at the
they are
Summer
good
Olympic
in
Games.
sport.
Yeah. Okay, cricket.
Active military, Pakistan has the largest active military among these countries,
Pakistan.
with about 654,000 active military personnel. Tanks, Pakistan has the most tanks among these countries, with about 3,742 tanks. Aircraft, Pakistan has the most
Pakistan.
aircraft among
Yeah,
these
yeah, yeah.
countries, with
They
about
are-
They don't need
1,413
those things.
aircraft.
Their country is peaceful.
Warships, Sri Lanka has the most
Sri
warships
Lanka.
among these countries, with about 275 warships. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell
Wow,
for
this
more
is very,
content from
very,
data
very
around the world.
informative,
Yeah.
I love this video, man. It's very informative. Like I understood more because previous video we used to react, but it's not in English. And some other people they just show videos, but by
And
putting
put some
detail,
music and detail. Yeah.
detail on it. But this one is so clear. She's
you can
explaining.
understand,
You
yeah.
can understand and you can see. Yeah, this is so nice. So yeah, what summarize what we got now, what we learn now. Yeah.
The most country have visited it's
Sri Lanka. Yeah.
Yeah, the
Even
most
me,
one.
I'm wishing to visit Sri Lanka. Man. It has some beautiful places like Nepal. After Sri Lanka is Nepal.
Which one you go first? Which one you are planning to
If
go
I'm
first?
planning to visit the first country among these four, if not Sri Lanka, then Nepal. Like Nepal is not expensive. That is why I prefer to visit Nepal first. And Nepal is
They are peaceful. The people they
Peaceful,
are
like-
so friendly.
yeah, people are friendly. Like there is nothing happen. People don't have that mentality of
Yeah,
war
yeah,
and
yeah,
hatred. I know racism is everywhere, any
Yeah.
country, but Nepal, most of them,
Less
they're-
racism.
most
Open
of them,
mind.
most of them, they are open mind and they are not that much into about your background, religion, like
They
this.
don't care.
Yeah, that is why in Pakistan now you see most of people they don't visit there
Yeah,
because of what
Muslim,
Muslim, religious problem, political problem.
Yeah,
That
this
is why
the
less number tourists are there. They are visiting, but some fear is there.
Yeah, some fears.
Yeah, but Sri Lanka and
And Nepal.
Nepal. Yeah, Sri Lanka is costly. Like to visit is costly. To stay also is costly. Not like Nepal.
How much you have to spend in 1 month to live in Nepal?
I don't know, but they said like here in India, 100 rupees of India rupees is equal to 160
160.
Nepali rupees. Also they use rupees. So it's
Okay.
almost
We have
close,
holiday when
right?
you go to Nepal.
Yeah, you can easily go to Nepal, even by train. You
By
don't
train,
go.
yeah, because it's cross
Yeah.
country.
Yeah, but as African, you need to get visa.
Yeah, have to get
But
visa.
Indian, they go for free. No need for visa.
Even from Nepal, if you come
Yeah,
to
a lot
India.
of Nepalis are here in
Free.
India. They have their restaurant even here.
Yeah.
But also Bangladesh, they're kind of a good, peaceful country, but I don't think they have this kind of a tourist attraction.
Yeah.
That is why there is less visit there, and it's not that famous country. And one thing I think I
But-
know about Bangladesh, their president or their chief minister
Bangladesh.
is woman.
Woman.
Yeah. Bangladesh
So like
chief minister.
India, same.
No,
like
no,
India.
no.
India is the
India
biggest-
president is woman, but their chief minister, like here Narendra Modi, right? There
Prime
is
Minister is
woman.
Okay.
That is the biggest one.
And Bangladesh also is rich,
Yeah.
more rich in the Pakistan and Sri Lanka. It's only you're gonna find in Bangladesh and
They're-
Nepal.
Yeah.
The
They
rich
have
people.
more. Yeah, they are so rich. Even Sri Lanka so rich economically. They are
Yeah,
so
yeah.
rich in economic. Yeah. Because Bangladesh so many of import.
Yeah. So
Yeah, if import is there, import is there. Yeah, that is really nice thing to
it's
know.
really amazing.
Amazing video. Thank you guys. Let us know more. We are so interested to know about the other countries.
Other country, just
And you
write
can
your
suggest-
country in comment.
Let us know also from where you are watching. I am from South Sudan in Africa,
From Sudan,
and this is from Sudan.
Africa.
Let us know from where you are watching and tell us something famous that we don't know about your country.
Yeah.
Okay?
We will go and search back
Yes.
from Africa.
All the best all.